What is HTML? HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. HTML is used for making a structure or frame of a web page. There are many types of HTML tags that help us to show different particular elements, such as image tag is used to show image, p tag is used to show paragraph, h1 or heading 1 tag is used for heading 1. However, at the beginning of learning HTML, you have to do a basic preparation. Number 1, enable the file extension to make sure file extension. It is important to learning coding. Go to any folder or drive and select View, then select checkbox of file name extensions. Number 2, web browser for showing output of a web page. There are many web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, etc. In this course, we will use Google Chrome. Number 3, code editor to write HTML tags. There are prominent code editors like Notepad++, Bracket, Visual Studio Code, Sublime, and so on. In this course, we will use Notepad++ as a code editor. Download and install Notepad++. It's a very easy process.